Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Yaris water pump. First, gather your tools, including various wrenches, sockets, and a suitable drain pan. Always ensure the engine is completely cool before you begin any work to prevent burns. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. This preparation ensures a smoother and safer removal process for your water pump. Next, you'll need to drain the engine coolant. Place a drain pan beneath the radiator and open the drain cock, collecting all the fluid. Once the coolant is drained, locate the serpentine belt tensioner. Use the correct tool to loosen it, then carefully remove the serpentine belt from all the pulleys. This step provides access to the water pump and its components. With the belt off, you can now access the water pump more directly. Begin by removing any hoses that are connected to the water pump itself. Next, you'll likely need to unbolt the power steering pump and gently move it out of the way without disconnecting its lines. Finally, carefully remove all the mounting bolts that secure the water pump to the engine block. After all the bolts are removed, you can gently pry the old water pump from its housing. Be careful not to damage the engine block's mounting surface. Once the old pump is out, thoroughly clean the area to ensure a good seal for the new pump. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Installing the new pump is essentially the reverse of these steps, ensuring proper torque for all bolts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.